All right, let's talk about a seriously cool tool for any PC builder or IT pro out there.
So you know how it is, right? A USB stick for Linux, one for Windows, another for rescue tools.
It just becomes a huge mess of drives and labels, a total waste of space.
And that's where the Universal USB Installer, or UUI, comes in. One drive to rule them all.
The whole process is super simple. You just pick your drive, choose your ISO, and click Create. But what makes UI so much smarter than other tools? Well, it's all about the space. See, UUI partitions your drive smartly, so you can still use it for normal storage.
It creates two partitions, one for booting up and the other for all your personal files.
Plus, it's got this killer feature called persistence. Your changes and files actually get saved. And we're not talking small files here. You can make that persistence file up to 40 gigs.
It's also packed with other power user features, like drag and drop ISOs and secure boot support.
So how does it stack up against other big names like Rufus? Let's take a quick look back.
Believe it or not, UUI was one of the originals, and it's evolved, adopting the best new ideas.
So yeah, UUI came first, and it just kept getting better by learning from the others.
Okay, so it's an all-in-one toolkit. But what can you actually put on this thing? For starters, a whole library of Linux distros. Ubuntu, Mint, Arch, you name it.
Then you can load it up with powerful rescue tools. Think Clonezilla, Parted Magic, and antivirus kits.
And yep, it's not just for Linux. You can have your Windows installers right on there too.
So you've got one single drive with, well, pretty much endless possibilities.
It's the ultimate portable toolkit, perfect for troubleshooting or setting up machines on the fly. So, you ready to ditch that messy pile of USBs and build your own ultimate toolkit?